Hey, this is the DIY Magician. We're back with another discount tool review. This time it's a Dollar Tree wire strippers. Hang on. Alrighty, now we've got some wire stripping to do here. Before I go any further, I want to get my reading glasses from the Dollar Tree. These are great because they actually help you read when you get to my age. The warning on this says using hand tools can be dangerous. Always take care and keep away from children. Wear protective eyewear at all times. Right there. Okay, imported from China. Wire stripper, that's what it is. From the Dollar Tree, it's $1. It still boggles the mind that they can get this stuff for $1. Okay, now, it's a little snug when you first get it. Okay, it's a little snug. It is metal, very thin metal, very snug. I noticed right off that these little areas here where you keep your fingers away from the little area there, very pointy, very pointy. Let's see, they're on pretty well. Oop, no, there it is. But these are a little pointy here. It's a harder plastic. Okay. It looks like we might have a little fun with this. Again, very sharp there. The actual wire stripping area is very sharp, okay? So, let's do this. Let's use the cutters. Okay, and that's in the spot there. Everything is labeled, by the way. So if we put it in the cutting area, we're going to just put it in the cutting area and I'm going to squeeze. Ready? 1, 2, 3. It folds over. Okay? I don't know if that's going to work too well. It did pinch it pretty well, but again, it folds over. It doubles over itself. Okay? Maybe because I'm using 3 at the same time. So let's try this. To be fair, I'll try and clip 1 at a time. Okay? Got to get it right in there. I would have preferred actually having something up on this end rather than have to try and fish the tool over the top there. It does not want to cut. You have to actually hold the tool in place and it will cut it. Not very convenient for me, but that's the way it works. Again, you have to fish the handle through the area there. You have to line it up just right. And once you line it up, it does cut. So again, if you're MacGyvering and you need to run into someplace and get something to fix a computer or what have you at work, you're on the road and you're trying to help a client out, maybe. But even then, let's see here, it's got to be lined up. Okay, so now we have this little gadget here. Let's see if we can strip some of the wire off. Well, first of all, it doesn't look like the wire stripping area actually closes down tight, and that might not be a problem. I'm not good at gauging what the wire is. Gauging. Those of you who know, it's funny. Let's see here. So it really, the smallest wire I'm putting in the smallest slot does nothing. Does nothing. Very interesting. Very interesting. Well, I can't strip any of these wires. I don't think I have anything thick enough to strip. But it has the wire increments 6.0, 4.0, 2.5, 1.5, 1.0, and 0.75. It has a ignition terminal. It has, and some of you will know what this is. I have no clue. In this area here, if you look at it just right, it will actually, you can put something through it and do something to it. I don't know what that does. But I do know, and you'll probably correct me if I'm wrong, that this is when you're splicing wires together, there's those little things you can crimp. That's what it is. I don't have any of those to crimp, but I'll tell you what, I'm going to use it on a on a zip tie. Let's see if it'll do anything, if it'll crush the zip tie. Well, it's crushing the zip tie. Let's see if the snippers work on the zip tie. Barely, barely. Well, I think the verdict is in. If you are in desperate need of a tool like this, and you know that you have wire that works within those parameters, or you know what these things do here, or you have to crimp something and you don't want to use a pair of pliers, buy this tool. Otherwise, I don't think it's worth $1 and save your money and all that good stuff. So, well, maybe we'll come up with something else to do with it another time, but for now, I say no. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Thank you very much. This is another discount tool review. For those of you who have been with us before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe and you'll get all the updates as they come along. Thank you again. Till next time.